keluar guys. Thank you.
All right, it looks like I'm going to have you guys on 8, 9, and 10 form.
8, 9. Tapos ang 10.
My second builder on 9, and my last builder on 10.
Right, Sans, how are you?
Right, Sans.
I love how proudly you're displaying that resistance.
Actually, you guys move one more
Is that
down.
best scarf?
One more right dot down. Okay. Yep, perfect. Right there. You're going to place your violet credential cards on the top half of your building station.
Yes.
Come on in.
Cards right on the front for us. Excellent. Come on in, my friends.
14, you'll be on 13, and you'll be on 12, right down there.
Good.
I'm
Glad you all snuck in here. I hope you didn't run into any first order entanglements. Everything all right? Good. Then, my friends, welcome to Savi's workshop. Oh, so excited you all found us. These are the gatherers that will be assisting you. You may call me Kembe. So please take a quick look around. I know what you're thinking, that all this looks like just a lot of old junk. Well, let me assure you of something. Some of this is new junk. To explain, we humbly call ourselves the gatherers. Because we search the galaxy for ancient relics in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged systems. What we find, we bring here to the workshop. So where a stormtrooper might just see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. For in these times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. Oh, I trust you've all heard the legends of Luke Skywalker? Yes? Good. We hear there is a new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey. Indeed, Rey. Yes, a scrapper just like us. And what Rey is now leading, well, that is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for this long. And that is why you are all here, to look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is as elegant as it is enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber then becomes a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. So I think enough talk. Let's begin with perhaps the most important element of a lightsaber, the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. We've seen these in some of the greatest Jedi legends in our history. The blue crystal, favored by great Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker and Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself and Luke Skywalker. Violet, a beautiful and rare crystal, favored by the powerful Jedi Master Mace Windu. And because there must be balance, red. Often called the crystal of power, favored by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But all these are stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. So it's now time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, close your eyes. Indulge me, close your eyes and picture your kyber crystal in your mind. What color calls to you? Remember, it is likely the crystal could be choosing you. And open your eyes. Select your kyber crystal. Yes. Which one did you select? I'll be over here. That's perfect, my friend. Now carefully lovely builders place those crystals into that green crystal holder there in front of you. For it is now time to begin the construction of our hilt. The gatherers will place before you the selection you previously made, and from there you will choose the precise components that will comprise your unique lifesaver. The hilt is the foundation of the lifesaver. This is your center of control. Also, it's the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. So let's just quickly look at these components, starting with the chassis. On the other side of the box, these are the activation plates. We'll then choose 2 of those 4 grips. Then we'll put on the blade emitter, followed by a pommel cap. Building a lifesaver is a personal journey. The gatherers and I are here to guide you through every part of this process. So builders, let me ask you, are you ready?
Yes.
Good, then let's build.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get these moving through the That's our center. Hold this in line up top. That's our simplify. That way the emitters are up. Just in case. Go ahead and take your breathe and your movement. We're gonna place your kyber crystals in the center. There you go. This is the trickiest part of the build.
White side down?
Any way works. Any way works. Whatever you need to do to get it straight up and down in there. The top part of that chamber does have a spring. You can push that crystal against the top to give yourself a little bit more space in there. And then go ahead and hold them up. I'll give them a little check to make sure
Tiene sonido.
it's kind of hard to tell with my glare sometimes. Perfect. Awesome. Now we're going to contain your crystals with the activation plates from 5. So you can choose the top set or the bottom set. It does have to be a matching pair for this set here. And then when you go to attach them, you'll see on the inside either a red or a blue square. It's going to line up with your chassis and exact color. So red, go on the bottom, on that left-hand side of that same and then go ahead and try out that switch. Start sliding it up and down. You want to listen for that power crystal spring. That is a good thing. Just trying to ignite that blade. Luckily, you won't get. Go ahead and try to spin up and down. I'm going to make sure it's pushed over to as much as possible. It likes to tap fingers sometimes. Does that feel right? Go ahead and try it out. Make sure it's all right for you.
Once you have those on, you have some creature sparkling clip up.
Alright. Push those through sparking. Now you get to go on to those grips.
You're going to choose one of the two sets.
Any 2 of these 4. You're going to need 1 grip for the top part and 1 grip for the base. You can mix it up. You want to different place for this stuff. They're all interchangeable. For my 2 here, you're always going to want to make sure that golden side slides on first. The gold side, you want to touch the activation plate. So just flip the piece around. Perfect. And it's harder to tell my piece injustice. So you're going to want this wider edge. Whenever you slide that on, that's going to have the spreading or the grooves on there. And then you'll just push down and twist to tighten that in place.
Ah, sí, vale. Queda flojito, ¿eh?
No, le tenés que dar mecha.
No, ya le di, pero este queda flojito. Igual se me va a ajustar con esto.
Igual el mío quedó bien.
Sí, si yo lo aprieto bien, se ajusta los dos.
Alright, how we looking here? Alright, you'll need 1 more of those 3 for the base. 1 for the top and 1 for the bottom, like he has here. So 1 for the top for yours. And then push and twist.
Esto, el dorado siempre lo vas a agarrar. De cualquier forma, que vos quieras, los dorados son iguales. Pero los dorados por nada.
If you're all right with those grips, you then get to select your emitter in number 3. So either one of those 2, this is going to control your blade. So that middle column there, either one of those 2 in the middle or the top. So one of these 2 will be top.
Estos dos, los dos del medio.
And it just spins all the way down.
¿Cuál decís?
And then your last step is that pommel or end cap for the other side.
Me cabe este.
Looking good?
Alright, now once you have your strips in place, you're going to go to number 3 more.
to make sure everything is good to go. Safety is the most important in the workshop.
The Wookiees use, yeah, exactly, the Wookiees use that wool for
That last step. One of these two for that bot.
what's hewn from the trees is strongest.
All set to go here? All right, I can go ahead and do a final check for you. We're going to make sure everything is ready for our activation. Beautiful.
Estas son las dos partes de abajo.
All right.
Con esto lo puedes colgar y con esto lo puedes colgar.
So all that means is that when our campo says activate at the very end, you're going to slide up.
Activate. All right.
Yep, that's how you're going to activate your blade for your very first time. Congratulations.
What color crystal?
All set to go there. Beautiful. Go ahead and grab some here.
Yodas.
Go ahead and look it over. Perfect. Oh. This is my favorite style, and it is my favorite way to build protection and defense. So this I have a special place in my heart. That is going to be your activation switch. So when Kembe says activate at the very end, that is when you are going to push up on that switch. That's how you can activate that blade. You are all set to go. Congratulations.
Feel the unlimited power.
In my elemental nature. That's a good thank you. Slide it on in. Go ahead and do that last check for you. Beautiful. Alright, you are all good to go as well. So this switch is going to be activation switch. When Kembe says activate, just let it activate for that first time. Back down to deactivate. Prevent disintegration. Right? Thank you. Congratulations.
Absolutely exquisite. Look at these. If you could put them all in those display cradles just so I can see them, really, they're amazing. Oh, yes. What color crystal did you choose for yours?
Green.
Oh, well, that's going to be absolutely stunning. My friends, congratulations. We've all completed our hilts, and nothing catastrophic or traumatic has happened. Yet. So I want to ask you all to please take a step back. Thank you, my friends, just for a moment. But this is the most dangerous part of the process. Yes, thank you. Just to give a little room here to complete this process of preparing your hilts for activation in our crystal stabilization chambers. Now, are you ready to take your first steps into a larger... What's happening?
Many parts over now. Join they are. Yes, lifesaver. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. Then yes, it is indeed time. Time for the bond between Builder and Saber to be forged. So in just a moment, I'll ask the builders to take a step forwards, place a hand on the hilt of their lightsaber, then on my signal, my friend, you'll activate them for the first time. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Then take a step forward, place a hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and activate. And raise your lightsaber. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith before you. You could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Deactivate and lower the lightsaber.
Complete your lightsaber, Ariel. Like you way it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey might both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you now hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your sabers, we're pleased to offer you all a saber sheath. In a moment I'll dismiss you one group at a time, for our time is now at an end, but yours is just beginning. It's time to make your mark on the galaxy, for you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, next time we could be telling your stories. Raise your sabers and activate. Well, this group down to the first. Head to the outpost and very well done. Like you did it. Very well done, my powerful friend. Please. If you be able to continue your adventures, well done indeed. Very glad you did it. Excellent. May the spies keep you.
Enjoy your travels out there.
The force be with you.
Excelente. Ya armamos el sable y bueno, después va a venir el droide.
¿Sensaciones?
No, es increíble.
Casi se me pianta un lagrimón, vení. Vamos que
Gallita.
estamos en medio.
Y la construcción está buena.
Palabras.
Muy emocionante, muy emocionante. No puedo hablar.
No puedo hablar. Es muy lindo.
Para mí también fue muy emocionante grabarlo.